What's up, guys? Noah back here with another video. Today, one of my fans wanted to go on a bike ride, I think. Might have been some sort of outside activity. So, right now I'm at my house. I'm not on my bike yet. So, in just a second, for you guys, it's going to be right now. But for me, it's going to be a little bit. And we're on the road. We're back, guys. So now I just made it a little bit farther up there. Just checked in because I had to tie my shoes. And now we're on my bike. Okay, see you guys? I did magic. Now I'm on my bike. So let's go, boy. Fast or slow, guys? Tell me in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below, and share this video. I'm going faster and faster. And woo! Okay, guys, I have to cross the street from here all the way there, and I will magically teleport. And whoa, guys, I just teleported. Awesome. Okay, guys. This time I'm going on a different route instead of going on a big hill and around the block. This time I'm going around a half a block. And now I'm going around a full block. Maybe do something else, okay? Getting some speed. We're speeding up. There's a couple of bumps up here. So if there's like wind noise, sorry for that. Whoa. Hold on, guys. I think this makes it better. I can't go that fast over here because this is the wind blowing against me. And yeah, just across the street. Yep. Ooh, bump, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna teleport up there. Okay? Be there right about now. Now. And now I'm here. I teleported. Okay, so just go around this little area and then I'm gonna end the video. Sharp turn, guys.